Hi guys, what is the critical point when you install an inboard engine in a boat? The critical point is the point where the gases are mixed with the salt water. This is the salt water coming from the heat exchanger. Salt water enter here, coming from the raw water pump, circulate over there, and goes out. The salt water enter here, and in this point are mixed the gases and the raw water. This is the point of reference to identify if my engine is located over the water line or below the water line. If this point of reference is located below the water line, this is the water line, my hand, and that point is below, this engine is considered that is located below the water line. In that case, we need to install an anti-siphon. We need to install a hose going up over the water line, minimum 12 inches, and returning here. This is the point where the anti-siphon is located. Exactly, the anti-siphon that you have on the screen should be located in between this output, the output of the heat exchanger. If the water line is over that point, the hose goes up over the water line, minimum 12 inches, and enter here in the exhaust, in the elbow of the exhaust, where the gases are mixed with the raw water. This is the point of reference when you install an inboard engine, gas or diesel.